Just wanted to make a short video to show how my motor is connected to the steering control. I know you're up at the steering wheel, but I thought it might at least give you a sense of the brackets that I've installed. So the motor itself is not 100% controlled. It just pivots on that bracket, and effectively the steering column, which has been cut off and goes into that U-joint. So when it moves, or when it steers, I mean, there is some movement that's going on. I at one point had thought that I needed to have it fully locked down and tight, but when I sent it to the guy who welded that bracket for me, he just welded that bracket and basically has it pivoting. If I give you a backward shot, it basically just pivots on the steering column instead of what I was originally thinking of, some sort of mounting bracket on those three bolt holes, which is how it's mounted inside a vehicle.